Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from the title, you all probably know what this video is going to be about. The title से तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि वीडियो किस बारे में है, and today I'm going to be dyeing my hair live on camera. Not exactly live, but yes, I'm going to be doing it right here with you guys. The things that we're going to be using for today's experiment includes L'Oreal Excellence Creme hair dye in a shade 7.1 Ash Blonde. Alongside, we're going to be using the streaking cap and a hair parting comb. Without any further ado, let's get into the actual video. In the box, we have a manual, hydrogen peroxide solution, which is a hair lightener, a color protection serum, after shampoo hair conditioner, and the color itself. Alongside, we also have a tooth comb applicator, a pair of gloves, and now we're going to be changing into our spare clothes because we don't want our clothes to get ruined. Now we will be pouring the hydrogen peroxide solution and the hair dye into a bowl, and we're going to mix it together. Then we're going to be brushing our hair and creating a center partition to apply the color protectant serum. And इस serum को हम लोग सिर्फ अपने बालों की tips पे apply करेंगे because this is going to prevent our tips from drying out. क्योंकि every time you apply hair lightener or hair dye, तो जो ends होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाते हैं. So to prevent that, we're going to be concentrating this on the end, और जो remaining product होगा उसको हम ऊपर की तरफ लगा देंगे. Then we're going to be using a parting comb and we're going to part our hair जिस तरह हमारी direction होती है. And taking the streaking cap, we're going to be putting talcum powder inside क्योंकि बाल अंदर चिपक जाते हैं and we don't want that. We want कि easily बाल हम बाहर निकाल सकें यूजिंग दिस हेयर टूल. एंड जो रिमेनिंग बाल होंगे उसको हम नीचे की तरफ टाई अप कर देंगे और जो ऊपर से बाल हमने निकाले हैं स्ट्रीकिंग कैप के थ्रू उस पर हम हेयर डाई जेनरसली लगाएंगे. Leaving the hair dye for about 40 minutes to 1 hour, we're going to be taking a shower afterwards. And shower के बाद हमने after shampoo conditioner भी लगाया जो box में available था. Now we're going to let our hair air dry. And this is the final result. The angle is pretty bad, but you can see that my hair color has lightened. It's not exactly a very obvious hair color, लेकिन you can see कि my hair color has gone 1 shade to 2 shades lighter. Roots में मेरा dark tone है जो कि मेरे actual बालों का color है. Here are 2 reference pictures for you guys to see the before and after results. So before my hair were really dark and now they're quite light. So that is it for my hair dye experiment video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to leave any questions that you have in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.